Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Make a great choice today with the 2020 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, multifunction display, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey John.
Hey Pete, I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I gotta go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.